Our associate partner this evening is India's leading digital entertainment company that launched India's first and largest on-demand digital entertainment storefront. Can we have our associate partner, Hungama.com's AV, please? Prince Charles at the 2015 Conference on Climate Change made a powerful statement. I urge you to consider the needs of the youngest generation because none of us has the right to presume that for our today, we should give up their tomorrow. While corporate houses are known to be the big bad guys for climate change, here are a few who have been game changers and have proved otherwise. To present the next set of awards, may I please request on stage Mr. Ambi Parameswaran, Chairman, FCB Ulka, and IAA Managing Committee member. Mrs. Bindu Rana Kapoor, Member Governing Council, Yes Foundation. Mr. Siddharth Roy, CEO, Hungama.com. Thank you very much for joining us on stage. Can we have the AV, please?
In the category Press Corporate, the joint silver olive crown goes to Dainik Bhaskar Group for Ek Ped Ek Zindagi, created by Vinay Maheshwari, and DDP Mudra North for Trees, created by Sonal Dabral, Sambit Mohanty, Subhashish Datta, Shivil Gupta, Pallav Medhi, Martin Hargreaves, and Aniruddh Nair.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's once again please encourage the good work which has been done. And we acknowledge, of course, by clapping harder and better. The group from Dainik Bhaskar.
And the gold olive crown goes to Umbrella Design for Times Bappa, created by Umbrella Team.
Ladies and gentlemen, we could be a little more encouraging than that. We could keep the caps going for some wonderful work done by this young team. Once again, thank you for the good work done. Same category, a TVC. Can we have the AV, please?
The next category is TVC Cinema Corporate. The silver olive crown in this category goes to DDB Mudra Group for Daan Utsav Bus.
कुछ भी दो, दिल से दो। दान उत्सव 2 से 8 अक्टूबर। तो इस बार आप भी कुछ दीजिए।
Created by Sonal Dabral, Rahul Matthew, Shagun Seda, Manish Darji, Anisha Ralhan, Nivedita Agashe, Vishal Sane, and Praveen Missel. DDB Mudra Group also bags the Gold Olive Crown in this category for Big Bazaar Paper Pataka.
मम्मा पटाखे
नो पटाखे।
ये क्या है?
पटाखा।
ये क्या है? मम्मी पटाखा
चल राउंड लगा।
अब ये क्या नया शुरू किया है? कुछ अच्छा ही शुरू किया है। हैप्पी दिवाली। हैप्पी दिवाली।
इस दिवाली कुछ नया सोचते हैं, कुछ अच्छा करते हैं। शुभ शुरुआत। बिग बाजार, मेकिंग इंडिया ब्यूटीफुल।
Created by Sonal Dabral, Rajiv Sabnis, Amit Kekre, Sanjay Pandey, Rahul Matthew, Nilay Munji, Manoj Bhagat, and Vishal Sane.
Ladies and gentlemen, what wonderful work done. Once again, the young team on stage. Thank you very much. So I've taken care of your cardio for the day. Our green partner tonight is India's 5th largest private sector bank and the only one to be awarded the Greenfield Bank license by the RBI in the last 2 decades. Can we have the Yes Bank AV, please?
Under the vision and leadership of Mr. Rana Kapoor, the founder, managing director and CEO of Yes Bank, and the support of the management team, Yes Bank is today a public trust institution of excellence in banking, catering to the new age businesses, fueling agricultural growth, providing infrastructure impetus, as well as delivering holistic, innovative and technology-driven digitizing banking solutions. Yes Bank. India's 5th largest private sector bank is the outcome of the professional and entrepreneurial commitment to establish a high-quality, customer-centric, service-driven, technology-focused private Indian bank, catering to the future businesses of India. With the institutional character of being the professionals' bank, Yes Bank aims to be the finest quality bank of the world in India. India bole yes.
To present the next set of awards, can we please invite on stage with a huge round of applause Mr. Abhishek Karni, Director, Free Press Journal and IAA Managing Committee Member. Mr. Parag Dangre, Deputy Vice President, Corporate Bank, Z Entertainment Enterprise Limited. While going digital is one way to promote conservation, it opens up a whole array of other effects of climate change. In an industry so rapid and consumer-centric, it is important to take the right step and set the right standard of what's happening next. Can we have the AV, please?
In the category Digital, there are 4 winners for the Silver Olive Crown this year. The winners are Umbrella Design for Times Bappa, created by the Umbrella team.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Umbrella team seems to be on fire today. Absolutely brilliant work.
Ogilvy and Mather for Tree Ganesha.
We came up with a simple yet powerful idea, Tree Ganesha. This special Ganesh idol was made from natural soil, organic fertilizer and seeds. All it needed was a little sprinkle of water to complete the immersion ritual. And soon, it would grow into a tree. The radical idea struck a chord with the masses instantly. Tree Ganesha became a huge hit on the social media as common people lauded it. News channels covered it.
गणेशोत्सवात गणेश मूर्तीच्या विसर्जनातूनच झाड लावता आलं तर अगदीच हटके.
असाच एक आगळा वेगळा ट्री गणेश.
Newspapers spoke about it. Popular blogs celebrated it. And celebrities
TreeGanesha.com 93.5
voluntarily campaigned for it across media. Imagine the possibilities. If people all over India used Tree Ganeshas year after year, it would not only help preserve our water reserves, it would also help plant millions of trees that could bring us more rainfall and more water for our future. Make Ganesha a tree. Live the future carefree.
Created by Anup Chitnis, Santosh Patil, Joji Manthanam, Dattadri Kothur and Sundar Sharma.
Live the future carefully and carefree. The team doing a wonderful job with the eco-friendly Ganesha.
R.K. Swamy BBDO for hashtag Help the Farmer.
स्कूल जाना.
लुक छुप के से मन मचल रहा कि तेरे मन में क्या चल रहा।
कमली के पापा, हरिया चाचा, सुखी के पा,
डर से मन मचल रहा।
पापा,
डर से मन मचल रहा कि तेरे मन में क्या चल रहा। ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम, ओ मौसम।
Created by Ankur Suman, Rashmi Ambastha, Pankaj Bora, Mohit Tanwar, Nikita Kapoor, Atul Manjrekar, and Smita Baliga.
Ladies and gentlemen, please do raise a huge round of applause for the wonderful team that did such wonderful work on that. It was utterly beautiful. Thank you.
And DDB Mudra Group for eGanesha.
Ganesh Utsav, the festival of new beginnings, kicks off Maharashtra's festive shopping season. It's a time when electronic brands crowd the market with sales promotions that bill their products as new beginnings. The challenge: how do we shift the festive sales narrative to draw people's attention? We found the solution in one of India's most glaring problems: electronic waste disposal. Due to the increased use and frequent replacement of electronics, India generates almost 13 lakh tons of e-waste annually. And over 90% of this undergoes crude scrapping due to lack of awareness about recycling, posing grave ecological and health risks. So when the competition told people to buy new electronics, we asked them to spare a thought for the old. We got them to bring in their useless electronics for recycling by calling eZone Care, and rewarded them with discounts for the same. To create awareness about a problem so big, we needed a spokesperson just as huge, and we found ours in the Lord of New Beginnings. We created India's first eGanesha, an 18-foot idol made of our customers' old electronics. Armed with standees, pamphlets, and an awareness AV, our promoters educated devotees about recycling. We also released an online film of Lord Ganesha's most ardent devotees, visiting the mall to get people to visit the installation. We got people to pledge to recycle their old electronics by calling eZone Care, on ground and on social media. People got talking about their old electronics and about how Lord Ganesha helped give old electronics a new beginning this year.
Created by Sonal Dabral, Rahul Matthew, Ashish Pathak, Siddhesh Khatavkar, Wilson Gonzalez, Savya Narang, Sruthin K.